Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am trying out this new Equate Sculpting Blending Sponge with vitamin E. I kind of think that's kind of stupid, vitamin E in a blending sponge. I mean, I'm gonna wet the darn thing and wash the darn thing, so the vitamin E by the first use you figure is gonna be gone, right? So anyways, I just got it because I like the shape. I thought it was interesting and it was very cheap. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet it. That's what it looks like. See, look, check it out. It's like, it like lands perfectly on your face. No, but do we like it? I do like the point because that's where I point. But this was pretty cool, right? Okay, so let me go ahead and go wet it and see how big this bad boy gets. Okay, so it got bigger. Check it out. Let's go ahead and try it with the foundation. Now I got this sponge at Walmart. You guys know Equate is a Walmart brand. Let's try this side, just like this. Even though I would assume this is more for like your powder, let's just try it. I pull you guys in. Ooh. Okay, so let's just like that. I like this shape that it goes right under the eye. So I'm gonna actually, you see how it's like leaving lines? Let's see here. Don't leave the lines. So I'm gonna say this side is probably just for powder because even when you're like line. Yeah, I don't like how it leaves the lines, even though I'm trying to, let's just go to the pointy part that I normally use. I'm gonna turn it over and try it this way. And let's go to this eye. Now, it is not the most bouncy blender. Honestly, it is a little bit dense, not the most dense I've ever tried. I mean, it's doing all right. It's not the best. When they're super dense or a little bit too dense, you see how it can actually pick up the pigment. So you saw I blended that, and then right here you see how it's red. And we want to cover the redness. Not remove the foundation. We want it to look all nice and smooth. So let me go ahead and turn it around and try this. I don't know. You guys still see the redness right here. I'm not liking this for my foundation, guys. I think it's just a little bit too hard. And it's just a little bit too dense. So I'm going to go ahead and finish it up. Then I'm going to try to use this for setting my powder, and let's see how that is. We're just going to set the makeup. You know what? I just don't like it. I just don't like it. Okay, yeah, I get like, let's just say you're gonna bake and maybe you can like cake it on right there because that's the perfect shape. But then like I'm trying to put the powder all over like I normally do, and like you can't, that's not gonna fit like that, you know. And then I turn it over to the other side and it's like, I just don't like it. I can't even explain why. Okay, probably because like this, I don't know, it's not very flexible. And then like this, you see the flexibility in it. If you guys like it, this is the Body and Face blender. I'll post a link to it down below if I can find it. I can't always find it. So for example, like this is flat, you know, look, like all over, right? Even the tip on this one, right? All over. Because it's so much softer. And this one is just so hard and so dense that it's like, it's going dot, dot, dot. Instead of boom, boom, boom all over. So anyways, I'm going to give this little tiny blender, not tiny, this really cool looking blender a total thumbs down. It's going in the donation bin. That's where it's going. And I don't like it. I think it was a waste of my money. I mean, obviously, like I said, if you're just using it for under the eye and baking, then yeah. But then I can't put powder anywhere else because it's too flippin' hard. So I love this and I don't like this. So if you guys loved this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.